In this video, I will show you how you can change your wallpaper on your iPad. Go under settings and on the left side of your navigation bar, you can see wallpaper. Click on it and then just click add new wallpaper here. So what you can see here, you can choose from many of those featured wallpapers, and you can go here weather and astronomy and choose from whatever you like. So you have the option to click here under photos, but I don't want to open my library because I have a lot of family photos right there. You can as well click emojis here. You can choose from a lot of emojis. I mean, that's cool. Very cool. So let me go back here when I click cancel, and then we can see you can click weather. You can see you can have something like that as well set up, or you can click color, and then you have like a slider you can choose from. You can pick a color you like. Maybe you like, I don't know, blue, something bluish, and then you can drag the slider to our left or right to get it darker, or so like this. And then when you're happy with what you got, you can click add widgets. So you can put in whatever you like, whatever you need, and you could basically say here, I wanted this time to be in a different color, for example, like this. It's very customizable, like you can tell. And when you are happy with what you got, you just can click add, and then you can set as wallpaper pair, or you can further customize the home screen. So when you click this, let me go back. So now I have the new, like you can see, wallpaper background. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.